Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Login 8. In this video, I will guide you on how to buy Valentine gift cards on Vanilla Gift Card. So if you also want to buy Valentine gift cards on Vanilla Gift Card, this video is just for you. Follow the simple steps and you'll be able to do it. So in order to buy the Valentine gift cards on Vanilla Gift Card, first of all, what you have to do is launch open any browser of your choice. Here I've opened Google Chrome. Once you open the browser, what you have to do is click on the search bar and type in vanillagift.com and press enter. After that, you can see over here, you'll be led to the official website of Vanilla Gift. From here, you'll be able to buy the gift cards. You can also activate your card. Also, you'll be able to create a custom design. Make sure you're logged into your account. So if you want to buy the Valentine gift cards, it is actually very simple. If you look right over here, at first you'll be able to find the option for buy gift cards. If you hover over it, you'll be able to find several options over here. Since it is the Valentine season, you'll be able to find the option for Valentine's gift cards over here. Even if you do not find this option, what you can do is click on the option buy gift cards that you can see right over here. Now after that, you can see over here, you'll be led to this kind of interface. Now after that, you can see over here, you'll be led to this kind of interface. Over here, you'll be able to find the option for occasion. So basically in occasion, you'll have to select Valentine's over here. Simply scroll down. Now over here, you'll be able to find the option for Valentine's Day. All you have to do is check on this box. Now after that, you'll be able to see Valentine gift cards over here. You'll be able to see several options over here. So in order to buy the gift card, what you have to do is simply click on the Valentine gift card that you like the best. Here I'm just going to click on this option. Now after that, you can see over here, you'll be led to this kind of interface. You'll be able to see the gift card over here. You can send it by mail or you can also send it by email. If you want to send the physical gift card, simply click on the option mail. If you want to send the e-gift card, simply click on the option email. Now you can also see the field for card value over here. Simply select the card value. Click on the field of card value. After that, select the card value over here. Simply click on the option of your choice and the card value will be chosen. You can also select the quantity over here. If you click on the minus sign, the quantity will be decreased. If you click on the plus sign, the quantity will be increased. Like this, you'll be able to select the quantity. Now, after you enter all the details, what you have to do is click on the option add to cart that you can see on the screen. Now after that, you can see over here the gift card will be added to the cart. Now over here, you'll be able to find the option for proceed to checkout. All you have to do is click on it. Now after that, you can see over here, you'll be led to the checkout interface. From here, you'll be able to check out. All you have to do is enter these details that you can see right over here on your screen. First of all, what you have to do is enter your shipping address. Simply enter your address over here. The first name and last name will already be written. Now over here, what you have to do is enter the company. It is completely optional. After that, what you have to do is enter the street address, apartment, suite or other. It is also optional. After that, you'll also have to enter city, state, zip or postal code. You'll also have to provide a phone number over here. So simply fill in these details. Now you can see over here, I've entered all the details over here. Now what you have to do is scroll down. Now you'll also have to select the shipping methods. You'll be able to find several options over here. You'll also be able to see the cost of shipping over here. You can also see the estimated delivery time. Simply click on the shipping method of your choice. Now if you look right over here, you'll be able to see the order summary. You'll be able to see the card value over here. You can also see the purchase fee. Also, you'll be able to see the shipping cost. You'll also be able to see order total over here. If you have any promo code, you can apply it over here. Now after you're ready to check out, what you have to do is click on the option save and continue that you can see on the screen. Now after that, what you have to do is choose a payment method. You'll be able to see several payment methods over here. Simply click on the option of your choice. Make sure to provide the necessary details over here. If your billing and shipping address are same, simply toggle this button. Now if you have chosen the option credit or debit card, simply enter the details over here. Now after you provide the payment details, what you have to do is click on the option place order that you can see on the screen. After that, your order will be placed and your order will be delivered according to the estimated delivery time that you've selected. You'll receive the physical plastic gift card on mail. So that is how you buy Valentine gift cards and Vanilla gift cards. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel.